Chapter 3. Illegal Assemblies and Associations. Art 146. Illegal Assemblies. Two types of illegal assemblies. Meeting attended by armed persons for the purpose of committing any of the crimes punishable under the revised Penal Code. Requisites. 1. There's a meeting, gather or group of persons whether fixed or moving. 2. Meeting is attended by armed persons. And 3. The purpose of meeting is to commit any of the crimes punishable under RPC. A meeting in WC, the audience is incited to the commission of the crimes of treason, rebellion or insurrection, sedition or assault upon a person in authority or his agent. Requisites. 1. There's a meeting, gather or group of persons whether fixed or moving. 2. Audience whether armed or not is incited to the commission of the crime of treason, rebellion or insurrection, sedition or direct assault. When a person carries unlicensed firearm in the first assembly, presumed that the purpose of meeting is to commit any crime under RPC, presumed that the one in possession of unlicensed firearm is the leader or organizer of the meeting. Notes, not all the persons present at the meeting of the first form of illegal assembly need to be armed. Persons liable for illegal assembly, the organizers or leaders of the meeting, persons merely present at the meeting, except when presence is out of curiosity, not liable. Presumptions: if person present at the meeting carries an unlicensed firearm, purpose of the meeting is to commit acts punishable under the RPC. Considered as leader or organizer of the meeting. Article 147. Illegal associations. Two kinds of illegal associations. Organizations totally or partially organized for the purpose of committing any of the crimes in RPC, or for some purpose contrary to public morals. Persons liable: founders, directors and president of the association, and mere members of the association. Illegal assembly. 146 versus illegal association. 147. An illegal assembly must be an actual meeting of armed persons to commit any of the crimes punishable under the RPC, or of individuals who, although not armed, are incited to the commission of treason, rebellion, sedition or assault upon a person in authority of his agent. Whereas in illegal association, there is no need for such. In a legal assembly, it is the meeting and the attendance at such that are punished, while in a legal association, it is the act of forming or organizing and membership in the association that is punished. In a legal assembly, the persons liable are leaders and those present, while in a legal association, founders, directors, president and members are liable.